Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Let's talk about Rosalie. Rosalie, the Fantastic Four. Rosalie, Diamond, Figurators, and Akeem. But I could talk about Rosalie and Diamond. I could talk about the two female them now. Why? So I know a friend alive, especially from no females. Me take sleep and mark DEATH. Afraid of like a poison. Afraid a woman coming like a poison. No, with all of the screen recording them, let me say I take place by the media. I just need to come talk about that little one a bit. Whereby Miss Rosalie I crash out because them have her England visa. And Rosalie not have any. Me know Rose bad man long time, but no visa for Rosalie. Just a small question, Rosalie. What is your talent? We want to go England go do. What is your talent? We know them a long time dancer from back in the days. Yeah, man. So what is your entertainment, Rosalie? Hey, I'm with a mad fit a couple myself, boy. But me a book Rosalie for sure for go party, For she come out on stage and come say trot and walk away. No little style. She not have no little style. Big up you, Dima. Big up you. Big up yourself, Dima. Make Rose feel like she has something. Show the visa, Rose. Show away. I wish I came she talk about though. Why? Rosalie, you deal with bad. Rosalie is the man we grew up for love her. If this is not Shrek and the donkey, with the name Fiona and the donkey. If this is not Beauty and the Beast, Rosalie, you have faith. Me not telling you, your faith chang bad. Yeah, you deal look bad. You deal look bad. Me not telling you. What a way you have confidence in the man this so. You fit tap a man. Because if you stop it, and then you not tap on top until I get the John, because of that you really want the John. And you know say boy not get it, him not giving it to you. If boy not rate you like that for get it, him can't stomach you. Diamond tell we see it too. You never will get the John there, it a go mad you. Oh. But here are talking about I just share her man. Lord Jesus. So Rosalie, so Akeem know say, is your man, miss? Mighty God. Mighty. She never know. She never know. She never get it yet. Perfect example have. He that exalt theirself shall be abased. Nobody no forgot nowhere with Rosalie. Point blank. Period. Guys, me know some man are Rosalie fan and some, whoever this video may catch, some man are Diamond fan, some man are Rosalie fan. Me don't know fan none of them. My spirit can't take Rosalie. Rosalie make my spirit can't take her. Me don't have a problem with Diamond. You understand? Guys, you know act like Rosalie innocent. She's not innocent. She have done this to multiple different people on the internet. And you see how you know. Boa, the followers, the gifters, are to be blamed. Yeah. We'll see. She meet her match then now. Yeah. She meet one hothead. She meet a better girl than she. Hey, me afraid of them out here now. Oh, the same person she class have raping charges. See two of them up online, see them there? Yeah. Two of them. Perfect example of the internet is not a real place. Rosalie, the people them just go to see you and laugh after you because you're not entertaining. Don't get it twisted, Rosalie. Them not really go to see you because you have no talent. You don't have nothing boy, you no look style. You think them people are gonna waste their money and go come look by you just like that? No. Rose, I want you to go leg a Hakeem shirt. Cause at this point, are you at wall and pan the man? We see it in the screen recording them, it's evident. Rose, Diamond win. Our Rosalie. After and then you know you can't tell people for the you can't tell press for do their money, them hard working money, you know, or money where them not feel for. You can't tell people, you can't tell a person how to spend their money. But Rosalie, I'm glad how Diamond point out this because we are get to see your true colors day by day. Alright. Rosalie offered to buy Hakeem's sister iPhone 17 Pro Max. iPhone 17 Pro Max. Dirty Rosalie. Dirty Rosalie. iPhone 17 Pro Max Hakeem's sister. And look how you do your little sister Kayla when she hungry. Come here, Dirty Rosalie. Come here, girl. Your little sister. Your blood.
I don't kind to me. Never beg me nothing. I don't think I don't want to give nothing. I think I got to play one match and me go shooting cause me asking me. Where you shoot but don't shoot your money. That's what I name me can't be figure it out. The guy don't not beg me nothing. Nothing at all. Yesterday me and him go on the road, him buy one shoes and me see what I just say, you can't buy me that and he buy me. See me can't right now, throw down. When you listen to her say, I say, you know what? Every time Hakeem does something for your income with store to get back the money for you, and I'm like, and then now, pick up the rear. You're going to talk about Hakeem's sister ask you for iPhone 17 Pro Max. How many you got back on here? I'm going to say that either. Hey, no, my blood clap it up so good, girl. I'm clap it up. I'm gonna in my receipt them. I'm clap it up, girl. I'm clap it up, girl.
Sister. I'd buy an iPhone 17 Pro Max for a total stranger. Love. Yeah, buy family love. You want to do the most like is that girl. While your family I suffer like dog. Is a wicked girl. Yeah. Hey, remember all your Ango Jakes to buy TV what they are, you know? Yeah, man. Remember your Ango Drakes? Yeah. For TV. But you want to come and Hakeem Gingeration them. If you near me don't like Chichi. If you near me don't like Chichi, make your maga out. Hey, you know, some believe that Diamond was trying to be loyal to Rosalie, but Rose, she can't keep secret. She can't keep her mouth. And everything you tell Rosalie, she tell back Hakeem. And Hakeem tell back, figure it out. Yeah, you chat too much, man. Your mouth. Learn to keep your mouth, Rosalie. Your mouth, man, your mouth. If you notice, as the two girl and the team, she was looking out for Rose. Just like how Figure It loyal to Hakeem. You see, if it was Figure It alone that went over the house and see the girl, Rosalie would have the head. Because his loyalty is not to Rosalie, but to Hakeem. Imagine, boy, you do series and then start mind the whole family. iPhone 17 Pro Max for sister. But buy iPhone 13 for your kids. Wow. You could have buy the world for the man and still not look upon you. You could have buy the world for the man Gingeration them. You still not get the John. Hakeem still not give it the John. You sick me, Rosalie. You pass man mascot. You pass man dingo to ras. You Guinness bucket for you. Guinness bucket for the win. Boy, we know if you go start tag me when Diamond go live. Yeah? Boy, might is a good thing. Them I get that receipt them, you know. Cause it would be the other way around. Rose love carry down people too much. A year time now, Rose. A year time now, June. In June time. Me not understand how Rosalie take 1 year for reply. And still I lose this. Mighty God. Uno teach me how to keep people at arm's length. Uno can done now still. Uno can done. This I get too serious and it can and will get physical. Uno can done now. Done. Peace. The year just start. Uno done. You see how much profit and profit is come out of one on social media influencer? Uno can done now. Me understand say uno have benefit. But if you continue the same way, somebody will get hurt. Somebody is going to get hurt. Rosalie and Dama, uno can done now. Yeah? Continue make no money and do series and whatever the case may be. But uno can done now. But at the end of the day, we can only talk. We the vloggers and the bloggers and content creators can only talk. Up to uno if uno want to listen. Uno know one big people, you know. But they can't tell uno if you do it, you know. It's up to uno still. Money have to make. Nobody can tell uno if you do or what you say. We can't just cry for peace. Peace. Cause this not look good for the media, you know. If you too big man, hey, this not look good for the media. Sometimes I'm not too easily drawn out. Dama, you should never make Rosalie make you come bring down your self on the media because Rosalie, no. Rosalie is nothing. You can done. Peace. Year just start. You know look good, not sound good. Anyways, guys, that is just my two little cents. When I see analyze pan the world situation. Cause once I see something, guys, I come talk. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. See you guys again in my next video. Bye.